One bad database migration can wipe your data permanently. Here's how AI helps you write safer, more complete migration scripts. To get useful output from an AI, you need to give it context. Paste in your current schema. Recruit tably statements, column types, and constraints. Then describe exactly what changes you need. Add a column, rename a field, split a table into two. The richer your prompt, the more accurate the generated migration will be. A solid migration has two halves: the up migration that applies the change and the down migration that rolls it back. AI can generate both at once. That rollback isn't optional. It's your safety net when deployments go wrong. Before running any AI-generated migration, review it carefully. Watch for destructive operations, dropped columns, type conversions that truncate data, renamed fields that break queries. Also check backward compatibility. During rolling deploys, old and new app versions run simultaneously. AI can miss these subtle edge cases. Never apply a migration directly to production. Clone your production database into a staging environment first, run the up migration, verify your data, then confirm the down migration rolls back cleanly. Only promote once everything checks out. Give AI your schema and your goal, generate both directions, review for safety, then test before production. That's how you migrate with confidence. Like and subscribe for more interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.